Hey guys, welcome back into another video, and in this video we're going to be going over collisions in Pygame. So what I want to do in this video is implement collisions, which is when the player rectangle interacts with the snail rectangle. I want the game to end. Thank you for sticking with me through this long in the series, and the series will continue going on as long as we perfect this game and enhance your knowledge of Python and Pygame. So what we want to do here is add a collision. For collision, it's very important to know that you need rectangles. The player rectangle and the snail rectangle both must be rectangles and can't be the images themselves. So what we do here is we go here and say if player rect dot collide rect snail rect. What this detects is it detects if the player rectangle has collided with the snail rectangle. What we want to do after that is we want to end the game. So we can just do pygame dot quit as well as exit. So now you can see if we run this should be a functional game. I run this, and yep, here's our characters. We can jump over the snails, and then if we touch the snail, the game ends. So we already have a pretty good, nice looking functional game. What I want to do in the next video is add scores as well as like a game menu option and the end screen, so it doesn't just end as right away. Thanks for staying tuned. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.